Branding is the process of creating a unique identity for a product, service, or business. This involves creating a name, logo, design, or other elements that distinguish the product or service from others in the market. It's not just about getting your target market to select you over the competition, but about getting your prospects to see you as the sole provider of a solution to their problem or need. The importance of branding. Recognition. One of the major reasons branding is important is that it helps your product or service to be easily recognized. This can be particularly significant in today's crowded market spaces. Trust. Good branding can build trust with consumers, potential clients, and customers. People are more likely to purchase from a business that appears polished and legitimate. Support advertising efforts. Branding supports advertising. Advertising strategies will directly reflect the brand and its desired portrayal. Creates value. Strong branding often leads to a higher business value. It can position the business for future growth and can lead to more established businesses in the market. Generates new customers. A good brand will have no trouble drumming up referral business. Strong branding generally means there is a positive impression of the company amongst consumers, and they are likely to do business with you because of the familiarity and assumed dependability of a name they trust. Now, WordPress is an excellent tool for small businesses to start branding for the following reasons. Ease of use. WordPress is very user-friendly, even for those who aren't technically inclined. This makes it accessible for small businesses that may not have dedicated technical resources. Customization. With thousands of themes and plugins available, it's easy to customize a WordPress site to align with your brand. Whether you want a specific color scheme, layout, or function, a plugin or theme can likely make it happen. Blogging capabilities. WordPress began as a blogging platform and still excels in this area. Regular blogging can help build your brand's voice and personality and improve SEO, search engine optimization, efforts. SEO friendly. WordPress is known to be SEO friendly out of the box. With the addition of SEO plugins, it becomes a powerful tool in helping your brand to be found online. Cost-effective. WordPress itself is free, and many themes and plugins are also free or very affordable. This makes it an excellent choice for small businesses that need to keep costs down. E-commerce. With plugins like WooCommerce, you can easily turn a WordPress site into an online store. This allows small businesses to sell products directly, further enhancing their brand. Community support. The WordPress community is vast, meaning there's a wealth of resources, tutorials, and forums to help solve any issues that arise. WordPress is a flexible and cost-effective platform that can help small businesses establish and grow their brand.